Hello, this is Tox. Welcome to my channel and Happy New Year. Today I'll be teaching you an easy breakfast recipe called banana pancake. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. This is a three ingredients recipe, mainly banana, eggs and flour. In this video I used 2 banana, 4 eggs, half cup of flour, and optional ingredients used include half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. A warm welcome to everyone watching my video for the first time. On this channel, I upload easy, healthy, and yummy recipes. So ensure you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post new video. And to all my subscribers and fans out there, I promise to do better by uploading more yummy recipes this year. So stay tuned. Once your batter is ready, you can either make your banana pancake by cooking in a non-stick pan with little butter or oil, or simply make in a sandwich maker. This is a recipe you and your family members will love. Are you a banana lover? Then you have to try this.
Fireworks, pot is warm, spices speak before we do. Hands remember older paths, every move feels tried and true. Low flame, steady pace, time works better when unforced. We listen close, we feel the heat, let the rhythm set the course. Stir it slow, let it talk, let the scent fill up the room. What is ready shows itself, nothing early, nothing soon. From the ground, from the root, from the work of patient hands, what we make is more than food, it's how we understand. Fire low, heart calm.
Once your pancakes are ready, you can serve with some maple syrup drizzling, butter, cherries, or banana. And that will be all for today. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. See you in my next video.